Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. While working with data, many times we tend to bring in the data from different sheets or different files to make a comparison, identify the difference, and provide an insight on what is causing that difference. We are going to learn how to compare the data from two different worksheets. Here we have a sample data which is basically the profit and loss statement for different quarters. We have quarter 1 profit and loss statement and quarter 2 profit and loss statement. We are now going to compare Q2 performance against Q1 performance and see which quarter has performed better. So let's start comparing. First, let us compare whether all the elements that are available in P&L statement of quarter 2, that is sales revenue, other revenues and different buckets of expenses, whether they are already available in Q1 as well. If not, let us find out which are not there in Q1 financial statements but are there in Q2 financial statements. So to check and compare that, let us use the Vlookup formula first. If you don't know how to use Vlookup formula, please check the link in the description or click on the I button displayed at the top. Let's go ahead and use Vlookup formula is equal to Vlookup open bracket, lookup value is my sales revenue, comma, go to the next tab or worksheet, select the entire column. Since some of the cells are merged already, it is taking the entire P&L statement that is spread in column A and column B. Let me change it to just column A, comma 1, comma 0. Sales revenue is available. Let me just drag down the formula. Let me delete the unwanted ones. If you look at it now, maintenance and repairs is a part of our Q2 P&L statement but is not found in Q1 financial statement. So that means this is the addition to the P&L statement in Q2. Alright, in the same way, let us bring in the sales figure as well from the other sheet. Let me adjust the column width by just double clicking on the column edge. Next, let us bring in the sales revenue. Now instead of VLOOKUP, I am going to use the alternatives of VLOOKUP, that is match and index or XLOOKUP. Again, if you don't know how to use XLOOKUP or match and index, I am pasting the links again in the description section. You can go through them to understand how you can make use of XLOOKUP or index and match. Now let us use index and match to bring in the Q1 numbers and compare them. Is equal to index open bracket. Now I have to select the column from which I need the numbers, that is Q1 column B. Right now it is A to B. Let me change it to B to B, comma, now type match open bracket, go to Q2 again, select A5, comma, go to Q1 again, select column A, comma, 0. Hit enter. So sales revenue in Q1 was 91. Just drag down the formula by pressing Ctrl D, remove unnecessary cell values. Now you have the P&L statement of Q2 and Q1 side by side. Let's give some heading now, particulars amount. Let's type amount difference is equal to Q2 value minus Q1 value. Again drag down the formula and let's calculate percentage difference is equal to amount difference divided by the base, that is Q1 performance. Select it, change it to percentage by clicking the percentage symbol, drag down and now delete all unnecessary values. Now the data is clean. You can make easy comparison between Q1 P&L statement and Q2 P&L statement and understand which section has done better and which section has done worse. Right? If you see the sales revenue, it has done better, that is 12% increase than what we had in Q1. Other revenue decreased by 8%, so on and so forth. Right? If you see income before tax, it has grown by 4%, which is a good sign. So that's how you can simply compare the data from two different sheets. You can apply the same logic and same methods to compare the data between two workbooks as well. Hope you enjoyed today's video and learned how to make simple comparison between the data in two different worksheets. If you like the content of the video, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next video, happy learning!